Hello guys, today we will see how to make simple calculator using Python. Let's start. Let's start by importing the library that we will need. To import it, we must write import from, the name of the library is Kinter, import, and it will. Now let's create a new class by writing class root take. Now let's define the class div init self, and now let's write here super point init self. And now let's start the program. First let's print the title. To print the title, let's write self point title point is equal to label and self text is equal to welcome to simple calculator program. Calculator program. Now let's write self point title point pack. Here let's write root is equal to root, and then let's write root point main loop, and like this. Let's see if the program works or not. There is a mistake. I think the mistake is that here we don't have to write self. Let's see. So as we see, this work. Now let's add a place to enter the number. To do this, we must write self point enter is equal to enter entry, not enter entry, and here self. And now let's write self point enter point pack, and let's write insert something in the enter place. To do this, we must write self point enter point insert and 0, and right here the text that we want to print. Let's say 1 plus 1. Now let's see. So as we see, it's work. Now let's add the button self point. Let's add first the place that we will print the result. Let's say self point result is equal to label and self text is equal to let's let him empty. Now let's write self point result point back. Now let's add a button. To add a button, let's write self point button and is equal to button, and here self text. Right here the text that we want to print in the button. Let's write calculate, and the command when we press the button, command is equal to self point on. This is point on is a function. Let's define it, but first let's write self point button point back. Now let's define the functions that we add. Def on self. Let's write here self point label. We want to print the result in the label that we made. Self point label point configure. We'll change the empty text, and let's write text is equal to str, and let's open it like this, and eval, and open, and self point enter point get, to get the information of the enter that we enter. Let's see if it's work or not. Let's see. There is a mistake here. The mistake that we have made, I think that here it is not label, because the variable that we made is result. Let's write the result, and let's see. Okay, so it's work. Now let's try another number. Let's try. So it's work. So as you see, it's work now. Thanks for watching, and wait for the next videos for more details.